Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change Webull margin account to a cash account easily. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Webull account or Webull website or Webull app, Webull desktop. So it really depends on the device that you're using. Anyway, once you have your Webull already set up here, and after you've logged in, you will just have to go to the account section. So you should see it if you've already logged in. So just go ahead and click that, and you will have to look for the settings, and then you will click account type and select change to cash account. And you will just have to read the agreement and confirm the change. And after all that, you will just have to wait for the Webull to process the account type change. And it is usually instant or the same day. And by the way, before you do all those, you will just have to make sure that you are using the correct version of the website or the app or the desktop, so that you will be able to actually do the steps that I've just mentioned earlier. And that's it. Your account will now be a cash account, and please make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped. And if it did, please make sure again to hit that like button. Thank you and have an awesome day.